The worldwide caviar market is projected to experience substantial growth from 2023 to 2030. Its production entails meticulous craftsmanship, encompassing precise breeding and harvesting methods. Renowned as the priciest food globally, caviar comprises salt-cured fish roe, predominantly sourced from sturgeon varieties like beluga, ocetra, and sauger. Moreover, alternative fish species such as salmon, trout, and paddlefish contribute to caviar production, yielding a spectrum of roe-e hues contingent on the fish species utilized. Historically, black caviar sourced from sturgeon species remains highly coveted, predominantly originating from nations surrounding the Caspian Sea like Russia, Iran, and Azerbaijan. This area serves as a pivotal hub for caviar manufacturing, meeting worldwide requirements while addressing the intricate balance of environmental preservation and governance. Nonetheless, alternative regions such as the United States, France, and Italy have embraced sustainable aquaculture techniques, contributing to the caviar market with a plethora of flavors and hues tailored to varied palates and inclinations. Because of its scarcity and the laborious process of its creation, caviar demands extravagant prices, rendering it a hallmark of opulence and indulgence. Workers often immerse themselves in the water to execute diverse tasks, including infrastructure inspections, monitoring water quality metrics, conducting upkeep on nets or other apparatus, or aiding in fish management. Throughout specific phases of production, these facilities undergo meticulous upkeep to safeguard the health and sustainability of both the sturgeon and the surrounding environment. Initially, water quality undergoes meticulous monitoring and upkeep to sustain optimal conditions conducive to sturgeon development and reproduction. Sophisticated filtration mechanisms are frequently deployed to eliminate waste and uphold pristine water conditions. Feeding regimens are meticulously overseen to furnish sturgeon with a well-rounded diet while mitigating environmental repercussions. Consistent health assessments of sturgeon serve as a preventive measure against disease outbreaks, thereby diminishing reliance on antibiotics or other pharmaceutical interventions. Following the maturation of sturgeons in the harvesting tanks, adept workers undertake the intricate process of readying the fish for caviar extraction. Employing exacting methods, they delicately transfer the mature sturgeon from the harvesting tanks to the washing area. Here, water sprays and specialized systems aid in meticulously cleansing the fish's outer surface, guaranteeing its freedom from impurities before advancing to the subsequent phase. Next, the sturgeons are deftly incised by the workers, and the invaluable black roe housing the caviar is meticulously extracted. This intricate procedure necessitates precision and skill to preserve the integrity of the roe. The harvested roe is gathered and deposited into baskets, primed for the internal washing stage. This pivotal step entails additional purification of the roe to eliminate any residual impurities and excess salt, thereby guaranteeing the production of the finest quality caviar. After the careful extraction of the roe from the sturgeon, it enters a critical phase known as pressing or sieving. The extracted roe is passed through a specialized apparatus, such as a plane shredder or metallic web, which separates the individual eggs from each other, breaking apart any clusters that may have formed during extraction. Highly skilled technicians meticulously scrutinize the caviar during a thorough examination, using magnifying glasses to assess the grain's size, color, and uniformity. Lab tweezers are utilized with precision to handle individual grains, enabling technicians to identify any irregularities or imperfections. Moreover, microscopes may be employed to scrutinize the caviar at a microscopic level, ensuring its compliance with stringent quality standards. Technicians painstakingly inspect the caviar for any indications of damage, contamination, or irregularity, meticulously sorting through each batch to ensure the utmost quality. Within these aquaculture facilities, the breeding process seamlessly integrates into the production line. In a laboratory environment, the roe is combined with milt harvested from male sturgeon. Feathers are often employed during this phase to facilitate the uniform distribution of the milt among the roe. The delicate nature of feathers allows for gentle agitation of the roe and milt mixture, ensuring even dispersal and thorough contact between the milt and all the roe. As sturgeons progress in maturity, they are transferred to larger grow-out tanks or ponds until they reach the requisite size for caviar production. Salt is a crucial addition to the caviar to augment its flavor and uphold its quality. Its inclusion aids in extracting excess moisture from the caviar, impeding bacterial growth and extending its shelf life. The precise quantity of salt is pivotal in attaining the desired taste and texture. Typically, the salt-to-caviar ratio is determined based on weight. This proportion varies according to factors like personal preference, sturgeon species, and traditional preparation techniques. However, a customary guideline recommends adding approximately 3 to 4% of salt relative to the caviar's weight. Seasoned caviar producers often rely on their expertise and sensory discernment to ascertain the optimal salt content, making adjustments as necessary to achieve the desired flavor profile. Together, we've explored a fascinating world of culinary delights with salted fish roe. I hope you've enjoyed and gained insights into making and using salted fish roe in various dishes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss out on our upcoming videos featuring more unique culinary experiences. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.